Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it.
Please.
If you make noise, I'll chop off your head.
Please spare my life. I'm the only son.
Why should I spare your life?
I'm the only son.
Chiono. You're the only son. Why should I spare your life? When you authorizing the clan of Mbitolu, you never knew that you're the only son.
It's my uncle manipulation. Please spare my life.
Shh. Chiono, I'm calling me way. Why should I spare your life? When you were busy terrorizing the clan of Mbitolu, you never knew that you're the only son of your father. Huh?
Please, my uncle sent me. Please spare my life.
I am going to spare you. But you quietly take us to the hideout of Ndiobu soldiers.
Hey, no, I can't do that. They will say I sabotage them because they...
Oh, then get ready to die.
Please. I will take you.
You will take me there.
I will take you.
You take me there.
I will take you.
You people are the menace of Mbitolu. Killing, raping the women and the children of Mbitolu. But you know what? Today will be the end of it. Are you going to take me there?
I will take you.
Get up. Dike one them. Dike I didn't buy.
Thank you so much.
It was a great experience.
Yes, it was. And I thank the gods of our land for making it a success. And we were well appreciated by the people of Mbitolu.
Dike! Please, next time this comes up, please, don't fail to call me.
No, why should I forget you? I won't, my friend. I mean, you're my best friend and my war partner.
Dike na rimba! I can be the one more who war. Ogene! I need to go home and rest. I will come to your house later.
It is okay.
Odogu.
I will see you.
Odogu.
You have a nice day.
Kanjaba. Udo?
My in-laws, That is why we are here. Ekanemu Ekanemu
Mazin Dubueze. Ekanenge. None.
Hey. Ogunu. Another one.
Oh, bye.
My in-laws, we have heard you and we welcome you. Now, having fulfilled all the required marriage rites, we call on our daughter to come and show us who her husband is. When she comes, she will take a cup of palm wine from her father, my elder brother here, Ichie Maduka, and then proceed to give it to whoever is the man that had captured her heart. Whoever she gives the cup of palm wine to automatically becomes her husband.
Oh, come here. No, yeah. I can hear the sound of a war. What is going on and where is it coming from?
Oh, it's Madoka's daughter that is wedding.
Which Madoka?
It's Madoka Ejezie of Anedo kindred.
Which of his daughters? Don't tell me it's Olamma.
Does he have any other daughter apart from Olamma? Is there any problem?
No problem. Thank you, eh? Thank you.
Okay.
There you go. Oluona no mume.
Oka para bisi keje kwe. Yeah.
We enter. Olamma. Adam wine. How?
Watch out,
okay, well now. Okay, well. You're going to take this drink. We don't know amongst all these men who is your husband. It is whoever you hand this drink over and he drinks. That is the man that will take you home as your husband. As you get there, you sip and give it to whoever. We are watching. Well, yeah. Obinigo kwije.
Hey!
Obinigo ije.
Kedu onye obu?
Yeah.
Go say. Oye nke. Hey, get up here. No, which way? This way.
Come here.
Yeah?
Come my name.
To the right or to the left? Yeah? Which way? No, who?
Who
are we looking for? Who are we looking for?
Don't mind them.
Hey! I'm a
Hello, Mello. Hey. Hello, Mello.
How dare you interrupt my marriage? Are you mad? You are the one who is crazy. You are the one who is crazy! If I slap you, you're going to melt. You're going to melt like a salt in the water. How dare you? How dare you snatch my woman? How dare you want to snatch my woman? What woman are you talking about? What woman are you talking about? Speak! Calm down. All I'm here is my woman. The one I love. And she can confirm it. Olama, say something. Say something. Ah! What is going on here? My in-laws, what is going on here?
Welcome. Who are you? Eh? How could you just barge in here to disrupt our daughter's marriage like that? Eh? Who are you?
Mazi. Akageme tukonama also.
You mean again?
Let me be.
Let you be. For what?
Just let me be.
Come on. Eh? Okay, you feel you are very strong. You think you are strong, eh? No, you think you're a strong man. Listen, we have warriors in this land. Warriors who will hold you, squeeze your neck, break your leg and throw you away. Ah? Are you mad?
I am not mad, Nai. I am madly in love with Olama.
No. We are saying something strong here. Asking you very important questions and you are talking about love. What nonsense is that?
Love can make
What is love? So, wait. You believe you can just walk into a place, carry a woman away without fulfilling the marital rights just because you're in love?
I was doing that. I was actually doing it. And each Monica is aware.
You are where?
Let us go.
No.
I am done with this marriage.
No, don't worry.
Let us go. I am done.
Let us go and talk. Come.
Let us go.
Come this way.
Why? Just
walk him. How dare you mention my name like that? Eh? You vagabond. You came here long ago to introduce yourself to me. And then you went away. Nobody saw you again. Only for you to barge in here now to disgrace my family. Look at the disaster you have caused here. All the visitors are gone. My in-laws are angry. Looks like they infested you with madness wherever you're coming from.
Ichie Monica, I did not go away from your family. I went to a war in a far place, Bitolo.
What is our concern with that? What is our... Did we send you to any war? Mbo Udenta, did we send him to any war?
Ichie Maduka, I am in love with your daughter. I am in love with your daughter.
It is late. As you can see, you are too late. You are not the only one that is in love with my daughter. You are not the only one.
Nah, Ichie Maduka, there's no lateness in love.
Yeah.
Do you realize what you're saying? Eh? We are telling you something very strong here, very important, and you are talking about love. Eh? What is love? No, what do you know about love? Oh, okay. Look at you. Oh, so you think you can intimidate me, eh? No, you think you can intimidate me with your small size. Let's take your apple, my friend. Look at you. I'm not afraid of you. Say that, boy.
Ichie, let us go. Let us go. We have been insulted and humiliated.
You heard my son. I am happy you are here and hearing him directly. Let us go. We cannot stand the humiliation anymore. This thing is a huge slap on our faces. It's a big insult. Why didn't they tell us that the maiden was already betrothed? Why?
Please calm down. Calm down. She was not betrothed. Yes. From what I understand here, the young man in question only came for a mere introduction and he never came back. Yes. Every man can come to ask for a maiden's hand in marriage. But the one whom the maiden accepts and he paid her bride price is the husband, and that is our custom.
Gentlemen, you are correct. But the girl disgraced my son. Why didn't she reject the man when he came, at least in the presence of everybody? Eh? She had to stand there and watch that idiot harass my son, the hooligan.
Ichie, my mother is very, very correct. We cannot take this from them. Why must she wait on a day like this? And why did she not choose? If you ask me, I am still insisting. I am following my mother.
Simple.
We have to leave.
Not so fast, my dear. Let me discuss with my in-laws before we leave.
You can go ahead to discuss with them.
Thank you.
But as far as my son and I are concerned, this marriage is as good as over. We cannot stand this humiliation anymore. We cannot.
All right. Let me see them.
Nana, if you ask me, I would say leave this maiden alone. Let us go and look for another maiden to marry.
I think we should wait for Ichie Ndubeze to talk to them. Then we would know what to do.
Oh, no. What does he know you will say that?
So this is the way you would have married my daughter? Eh? Like this? With this level of violence? Hey! Udenta, I is a Rembo. I is a Rembo.
No, it's not. The teeth lion uses in tearing other animals is the same teeth she uses in carrying its babies. Olama is like a baby to me. I cannot use my strength on her. I cannot hurt her.
Welcome in Akajambele. You are talking Ajambele. Stop all this rubbish.
Do you know that what you did here today is an abomination? Oh, you don't know. If it was in some families, they will beat you up thoroughly, tie you up, and throw you into the evil forest. It's an abomination.
Nai, I am sorry about that. It has happened. So what do I do now?
Just take your miserable self and get out of this place. Sebapo.
And when you go, try and get a good medicine man to first cure you of war madness before you talk about getting married to any maiden. Not my daughter.
Simple.
Never.
I am sorry. Once again, I am very sorry.
We have had you.
Namaste.
Please go now. Go. Go.
You're a nuisance.
It's okay. I will go. But I will come back.
Back in the bed. No, back where? Get out of here.
Ta! Where can go?
Go, get out of here.
You be back where?
Mama, go, police now. Ah!
Olam, stop this. Why are you even crying?
Name. They will blame me for this. They will say all of this is my fault. But I didn't know Dike will be coming back. I didn't know Amaram.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. You didn't know that Dike will be gone for so long. A woman's life is like that of a flower. Best plug when it's full. By evening, it would have been late.
What do I do? Kini can get me. What do I do?
You already identified your husband. They have fulfilled all the traditional rites required. The ceremony is complete. Stop crying. Olam, it's okay.
My in-law, please, I am very sorry for this confusion. But as you can see, it is not my fault.
I understand, Chimaduka. But as you can see, my nephew and his mother are very upset. I have to leave now.
No. You people cannot leave. Let us conclude the program. The intruder has gone away.
No, not after this humiliation. Your daughter could not even defend her husband.
What do you expect my daughter to do, a young maiden, to fight a warrior? Didn't you see how big the man was?
Whatever, we are leaving.
Wait, Ndubeze. Wait. You are the man of the house. Go and talk to your brother's wife. She is a woman. And you are the man. Take charge. Talk to your nephew also. Listen, you and I are more experienced in this matter. Marriage is full of tribulations, and it takes patience and understanding to overcome the challenges. This is one of the challenges. But if you people insist on leaving, I have no problem. Yes, but I will not be held responsible for whatever happens thereafter. My daughter is a pretty maiden, as you can see. Anything can happen. Other men's eyes are on her.
But it hasn't come to that yet.
It has.
Let me go and quickly talk to them.
You better do. Go and talk to her. Can I come here? Nana, I know that your blood is hot like a young man, but please calm down. You know, my daughter is still a young maiden. She will need soft hand to mold her into a woman. That is the way marriage is. Your mother and your uncle, they have both agreed that it is best you take your wife home instead of still lamenting over a past incident. Go.
Maduka, both of them are young. Daughter and Nana, my son, they are quite young. So we cannot blame Nana for acting his age. You are in the midst of drinking your wine your wife presented to you. Some of us snatch ya.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything is settled now. All we have to do is to help them to grow in their marriage. I know by next season, my in-law, they will come for Omogo.
No, my in-laws. Olama is not feeling so well. She cannot travel all the way to Aniocha today.
Yeah. What happened again?
No, she's having serious headache and she needs to rest now.
The headache is in her leg.
Headache, what is it going on? My in-law, if you do not want your daughter to marry my son, you should set it instead of turning and twisting us like this. Are we children here?
Why? Take it easy now. How are you? Has it come to all this? No, but let me even ask. Dear Mama, are you the one to marry our daughter or your son?
Oh, please, stop it. What kind of stupid question is that? Ije Maduka, warn your brother. He is poking his fingers into my eyes. Adema.
It's
okay. It's okay. My in-law, please calm down. Let us behave like adults that we are. Inugo, my daughter, this young lady, she has gone through a whole lot today.
Was she the only one that went through something? My son went through worse. He spent everything to carry his wife home, enjoy everything. Somebody scattered it and you say, what did she go through?
I suggest you people go for now. Let her spend 1 or 2 nights with us. Once she gets well, I'll send message across so that you come and take your wife home. You have married her. There's nothing else. Nothing can change that. I hope I have spoken well.
You have spoken well. Absolutely. In fact, beautifully well, my brother.
As if you are the person he's explaining to.
Excuse me.
Was he explaining to you?
Didn't she speak well? If I want that thing, that picture you are wearing, are you going?
Dike. Okay. I am not all right. Do I look all right? I feel like strangling. I feel like what happened? I lost my woman. I've lost my woman to another man.
Olama.
Yes. She got married yesterday. We were coming back from the battle.
Hey, that's serious, oh.
That's very, very serious. Very, very serious. I've not been myself since then. And something is telling me that I should go to that village, that Anyocha village, and rescue my woman from that unworthy man.
Dike, that will not be wise.
She should have waited for you. She never knew I was going to be so long. And her father pushed and pressured her to marry his best friend's son.
She told you this?
I was there.
So what was her reaction?
Let's just forget about this, please. Don't want to be thinking about it.
Dike. I don't want this to worry you. There are so many pretty maidens in this village. With our new status, all of them are at our mercy. Dike, we are popular as warriors. We are wedding from spoils of wars. Okay, as the only child, you inherited so much from your parents. Nanya, any maiden you call answers. Stop worrying yourself. Okay,
You won't understand. You might not understand.
I understand.
You got that wrong. I love this girl. I love Olama.
Dike, I love too many maidens.
Let's go
to Nkwa and take some palm wine. Come.
Nkwa brought my problem right now. No.
Let's go. Come.
Nama chore Bia. Oda agom achoro me ngo.
Ị na-enyekwa nwa gị nsogbu. Ka anyị jee ṅụọ mmanya na ọnwụnwọ.
Anọzi na mmiri nchabazie m anya.
Mmiri ezo ka mmiri adịrọ.
Na ma agwa nke na nke ka na arụ ọ gịnị bụ ihe?
Ka anyị jee ṅụọ mmanya na nkwọ. Kedu ọrụ ga-eji ṅụọ mmanya? Hapụ ụlọ mma. Ya ka anyị ga. Kedu ọrụ ga-eji ṅụọ mmanya? Kedu ọrụ ga-eji ṅụọ mmanya? Ị na-ebe akwa? Ị na-ebe akwa?
If I were you, I would go with the one I love. I would go with Dike since he's the one your heart desires.
Nkechi, who told you she doesn't like Nana? That Dike was the first to come doesn't mean he's the best.
Then why didn't she go with them yesterday? Can't you see she's confused?
Nkechi, it's just your imagination. Yes, it's your imagination that is deceiving you like this. Oh, Lama, that I know.
My husband, Nana, will come to take me home soon.
So you have decided, and you allowed Nkechi and I to be arguing over this.
I did not tell you if I was confused or undecided.
Whoever that sees you now, we know that you're confused. Look at yourself. Are you not confused?
That's not true. The stress from yesterday gave me headache and fever, so I'm only trying to recover.
Oh, Fifa, I'm still saying the same thing. You are only confused. You see, you're confused. I say.
Yeah. Isoma and Nkechi. Isoma and Nkechi, come here. Come here. Two of you, come here. Come over here. What is all this? Why are you people confusing my daughter? I heard all the nonsense you were saying.
No.
Yes. Listen. My daughter is married, and that is it.
Nani, we're not trying to confuse her. We're only trying to make her forget the events of yesterday.
Forget what event? Forget what event? What happened?
The marriage that didn't happen again.
Once marriage did not happen again, look at her mouth. You people just want to gossip. No, you just want to gossip.
No, Nani.
Listen, my daughter is a beautiful maiden, being sought after by so many men. What is wrong in that? Is that something to be sad about?
No, Nani.
No. So what are you gossiping about? You should be thinking about getting your own husbands. Marriage did not happen. Which marriage did not happen in this my household? Go and look for your own husbands. You are ripe enough to get your own. Some of your mates are married with children. Yes. So stop disturbing Olamma. She's in good hands. She is married, and that is it. She's going to her husband's place on a Market day and live with her husband happily after. Do you hear me? If you like, cry. If you don't like, don't cry. Go and look for your own husband and stop disturbing her. Go. Kechi, look at you. Look at you. Open. You get just already. Chop up and down. Nonsense. Yeah, Olamma.
Nam.
Come here. Olamma, if you like, come out here. If you don't like, don't come out. You heard me say it. You are going to your husband's house on a Market day. That's the message I gave to them. You heard me? Olamma. Okay, if you like, hear me. If you don't like, don't hear me. I'll take my own.
Olamma.
Ne.
You are welcome to the family.
Thank you, Ne.
Relax. You are now with your husband and your mother-in-law.
All right, Ne.
Maybe I did not tell you this part. My late husband was a very wealthy man. My son here inherited everything his father owned. So he too is a wealthy man. I can assure you, you will lack nothing.
I'm happy to hear that, Ne. Dalu.
But I want you to know that you are a married woman now and no longer a maiden.
All right, Nne.
My son does not want trouble. He works so hard to sustain the family wealth. Therefore, you must support him, cook for him, keep your home, and attend to his every need as a man. I hope your mother told you all that.
Yes, Nne. My mother told me everything, and I will do as she said.
Good. Every good mother must raise her daughter well and teach her how to be in her husband's house. She told you all that?
Yes, Nne.
Good. Do not listen to gossip from idle people. Before you do anything, before you interact with anybody in this our kindred, you must get my permission or my son's permission. People are jealous of our family. They may go through you to harm us.
Hey.
Is that what you want?
No, Nne, Mbamba, no. The God forbid. That will never happen. Before I interact with anybody, I must get your permission first.
Good. Omaka. Ogosinazo Gazo. Your mother raised you well and taught you how to be in your husband's house. Now, go over to the cooking place and go prepare your husband his afternoon meal. Everything you will need to make him a healthy food is in the cooking place.
Okay.
Cooking items are scattered everywhere. Let me see how she's going to see them, gather them together without seeking for my assistance.
Hey, Nne, that's a very good test. But Nne, we don't even know if she can cook very well.
But you said she can.
I hope so. Because I am not willing to take or tolerate any nonsense from her. When I remember the embarrassment I faced at her place, my heart boils with anger. I am so angry.
Do not worry about it. Leave her for me. No maiden can come into this hut, our home, to misbehave. But when I'm still alive, strong and agile, relax. Let us watch her fully come out with her bad behavior before we strike. No woman can enjoy this family wealth without sweating for it.
I agree with you, Nne.
I don't know what you're sitting there doing. This is very nice. Indeed, your mother taught you well.
Thank you, Nne.
My dear wife, I am very impressed.
Thank you, my husband. I am glad I did not fail.
So how were you able to get the ogiri, the oil, the pepper?
Nne, I sniffed around.
Really? I have a good news.
Thank you. Dike, good day. So you live here all alone?
Yes. All alone. No father, no mother, no siblings, no wife. The woman I desired left me for another.
So sorry about that. But you know it's not Olama's fault.
I know, but it still hurts.
See, you need to move on with your life. Olama has made her decision and she's happy with it. You need to be happy again. I can help you with that, even if that's the last thing I do for her as a friend. Please.
Thank you.
Have you eaten? I need to make you some food. Do you have ingredients at home?
Thank you, I've eaten. I'm fine. Thank you.
What about if I help you sweep? This place looks untidy. Let me help you out with it. Where do I get your broom?
I do not have broom.
How would you say you don't have broom? Okay, you know what? Let me go find myself.
Hey, I said there's no broom in my room.
I'm coming.
I said there's no broom in my room. Hey!
Dike. Dike. I have to go now before my mother starts looking for me.
Thank you very much for your help.
You deserve all the help you're getting.
You can have this.
No, I do not need any reward for the help I rendered.
See, I have enough. The last time we went for a war in a far place, they gave us dry meat that would last us for a whole year.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you.
You can have it.
Thank you. Don't worry. Whatever you need, just let me know. I'll be here to assist.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. God.
What is it? What is it? Why are you resisting me?
My husband, no. I am not. It's just that my period have started.
Ever since I married you, you have always been on your period. Look. Stop all these excuses. Allow me have access to you. Do you understand? Olama. Nyem otu. Oh? Look. If you do not want this marriage to hold, tell me so I can inform your father so that he can then return back the dowry I paid.
No, my husband, it hasn't gotten to that. You know how hard it was for me when I came.
What do you even mean by that?
I was trying to adjust, and then, my period just started. My husband, I'm sorry. You know, I've never done it before. So I want us to do it in my best mood. As soon as this period is over, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you, please. Husband. Please, permit me to go and see my mother.
Can't you see? It is drizzling and about to rain.
Don't worry, my husband. I will cover myself.
Is anything the problem?
Not at all. Anytime I'm in my period, my mother normally helps. Because it's usually very painful.
But my mother is around. She can also help.
I know, but there's this particular herbs she prepares for me. My husband, Biko, let me go this last time. Oh, I won't be long.
In that case, let us go together. Let me go with you so that nothing would happen to you. Oh?
My husband, I really will appreciate it, but nothing will happen to me. Moreover, it's women's talk. We won't even let you in. Oh, you mwany. Let me just go, Biko.
Okay. If you say so. But can I at least walk you to Okwa Junction?
Yeah. You're really a nice man.
Yes, let me.
Thank you. Wow, thank you.
Let us go, huh? Sure. Wait.
Hola. Where are you going to? And where are you coming from?
My friend, I am glad you are here. I was coming to see you.
Me? Hope there's no problem.
Oh, none that I know of. Actually, I came to see my mother, so I decided to see you briefly.
That's nice. Hope everything is fine.
Oh, absolutely fine.
And I hope Nana is taking good care of you.
Of course. Nana is a kind man. He's loving and caring also.
I told you.
Yes. His family welcomed me with open arms. And they treated me like an egg also.
You're going to make me jealous.
Oh, you don't have to be. You don't have to be. Since I've seen you here, I will just go back. There's no point coming to your house anymore.
I'm going to call dinner.
I'm going to Jisike.
My love is you that I need in Obimu. All of my one, your man, Nanigi Wobima. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my, Ichibwa begin love for more. All of my, Ichibwa begin love for more. All of my, Yakute Muso. On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Yakute Muso. Can go see go to love us, yes, sir. Yakute Muso. On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go.
What are you doing here?
Nobody knows I am here. I had to lie to my husband to come see you.
I never knew I would ever see you again. This seems like a dream to me.
I was worried about you. We didn't have enough time to meet and talk again. But I'm here to appeal to you to move on. Move on with your life, Dike. I remember the love that was shared. But that time has passed. Now I am married. Biko.
But I still love you. I still love you.
Unfortunately, you were late. Life will not always give us what we want, nor deserve. I want you to please take me out of your heart. You are rich, and with your strength, you can get any maiden to marry.